Okay, just a quick recap from today's free stock pick, COCO, Corinthian Colleges. You can see this is a 13-day chart. Each one of these candles is 1 day long. We said to buy today if it broke 930. So 931 was the entry. If you follow our rules, you know we don't buy if it triggers in the first 5 minutes. Here's the first 5-minute candle. It opened at 913, went to 935, so it triggered in the first 5 minutes. What do we do at GreatStockPicks.com to handle that? We then look for one of our setups, preferably 15s or 30s, to give the market a little time to calm down after the opening chaos. So you can see right here we've got our 2 lower tops following the opening candle, which our system requires at least 2 lower tops. Then we buy the first break of a previous candle's high. So there can be several lower tops, but we want to wait till one candle takes out a previous. Well, here you go. The high of this one was 927. So here's the entry right here, 928. Look at where your stop was right below this, 917. So 28 and 17, that's an 11-cent stop. We love that kind of risk reward, and you already know we like the daily chart. So there it is. It went all the way to 970 today. Let's go back to the daily. Just 13 days so we can zoom in. Well, let me zoom back out and show you the 100-day. This day here it hit 994. So above 994, this thing's got some room to move. We kind of got it early on the break of that little triangle there. And it went all the way to 970 today, closed real strong. So that was a great trade in our chat room. We're still going to be watching this for tomorrow. A break of 970 would be one trigger, or possibly a break of 994 too. And we need to see what it does in the first 5 minutes. We also had HOLX. Whoops, sorry about that. We had HOLX on our watch list as a bounce play. You can see it bounced nicely today. We ended up getting it 27.15 was our trigger, right about there. It went all the way to 28.15, went up a whole buck. We had a lot of people in the chat room made good money on that one, including me today. MTW we also had as a bounce play. You can see that. And we got it, our trigger was 36.88. Somewhere right about here where the arrow is. And it went to 37.76, and we made good money on that one too. And then one other one today, AES, not a big one, but it's still, the trigger was 17.64, right about here, and you can see it went to 88. I think that might be all we had triggered today, but a lot of happy people in the chat room today, and we want you to keep your eyes on that COCO, because the daily chart suggests that it still has more room to go.